Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Afan and my part of the presentation is to explain why quality attributes matter and what actually are quality attributes. So, hook, why quality attributes matter? So, I want you guys to think what makes one application fast, secure, resilient while others fail under load. Okay, the answer is architectural choices expressed as quality attributes. This means the non-functional constraints that determine system behaviors under real conditions. So, what really are quality attributes? Quality attributes are non-functional requirements. They describe how a system works instead of what it really does. They guide architectural decisions and prioritize trade-offs during design. This includes performance, so the response time, security, that means confidentiality, integrity, and access control, reliability and availability, that means uptime and fault tolerance, scalability, that means growth in users and data, usability, ease of use for users, and last of all, maintainability, which means ease of updates and fixes in case of anything. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Wahab Abdul. In this slide, I will explain how software architecture design relate to system quality attributes. The main idea is that architecture is not just about a structure, it directly affects how good a system performs. There are 3 points that I am going to discuss with you. Like the number one is that decision components and architecture. You can see there are three levels in this diagram. First are architectural decisions, the system components, and finally quality attributes. Basically, what we decide in this design creates components, and these components determine system quality. Okay. Then the point two is that explain from architecture. Some architecture patterns this directly support specific quality attributes like load balancers and stateless services improves scalability, and then encryption and secure protocols improve security. And then the fourth one is modular services make system easier to maintain. And then the number fourth is that reduce redundancy and health checks improve availability and reliability. And then my third point is that why this matters. This diagram shows that architecture is not theoretical, it has measurable outcomes in real system performance. Like so, when architects make decisions, they are actually deciding how scalable, secure, or reliable the system will be. Alright, then I'm going to close this line. In summary, architecture design lead to components, and components enable quality attributes. So good architecture design ensure a high quality software system. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I am Rakib. Now I will explain a real-world example using Netflix. Netflix uses a modern software architecture based on microservice and cloud computing. Instead of using one large system, Netflix divides its platform into many small services. Each service handles a specific task such as video streaming, users account, and recommendations. Because of this microservice approach, if one service fails, the entire system doesn't stop working. This improves system reliability and availability. Netflix also uses global CDN and auto-scaling. This means when millions of users watch videos at the same time, the system will automatically increase resources to maintain smooth streaming at low delay. The main takeaway here is that decentralization improves system reliance, and automation helps maintain continuous availability for users worldwide.
Okay, now let's talk about the implications for design decisions. Quality attributes always involve trade-offs. For example, improving performance might increase system complexity. Strengthening security may reduce usability. Because of this, architects must carefully prioritize which attributes are most important for the system. It is also important to define measurable goals such as service level objectives or SLAS. Teams should prototype critical components, benchmark performance, and automate non-functional testing. This ensures that quality attributes are not just theoretical, but actually validated in practice. And now let's move to the conclusion. To conclude, quality attributes determine whether a system succeeds or fails in real-world conditions. They must be identified early in the design phase continuously measured and aligned with architectural decisions. A good architecture is not only about functionality, but also about how well the system performs, scales, and remains secure. As next step, teams should prioritize key attributes, define measurable criteria, run targeted benchmarks, and continuously improve using monitoring data. This ensures long-term system quality and reliability. Thank you.